These drawers were given to me by Jeff over at Greene Street Joinery. They were ordered at the wrong size. So they're just kicking around his shop and he gave them to me. So I'm building this cabinet to accept these drawers. The drawers are 15 inches deep. I made the cabinet 20 inches deep, and that allows me to have these drawer runners so I can have full extension of the drawer. So we're gonna go ahead and fit the second drawer, and I'll take you through all the steps. I started off by making my drawer runners 3/4 of an inch by 2 1/4. This one will eventually be attached to the cabinet. Right now I'm going to use it as a spacer to attach the runner to the drawer in the right position. Flush at the front and a 5-inch overhang at the back. Just made a bit of a mistake. Didn't need to add glue to this portion of the slide. I'll go ahead and attach it to the drawer and then wipe it off with a wet rag. Now I'll repeat the process for the other side of the drawer. Here's my spacer, little wood glue. Shit, I did it again. That's what happens when you're trying to work and make videos at the same time. Now I can get ready to fit the drawer. And this situation is a little bit different, as you can see. This drawer is custom made for these painting panels. So I'll rest a piece of 3/4 inch plywood on those panels. Put the drawer on that piece of plywood. Oop, there we go. And make a mark where I want the top of the drawer runner to be. Then I'll cut a spacer with a measurement from the top of this cleat to here, which is 3 1/4. Now I'll remove this drawer and this piece of plywood. Take the spacer that I just ripped at 3 1/4 and trace a line. Now I'll attach the cleat at that line again with a little wood glue and some nails. If you'd like to learn more about woodworking and start building the furniture for your home, I hope that you'll visit my website at johnpeters.com. With a large variety of woodworking plans available, I'm sure you'll find something that'll fit your skill level and taste in furniture. All of my woodworking plans have video tutorials right here on YouTube that are designed to help guide you through the build. So I hope that you'll check out my website at johnpeters.com and let me help you with your next woodworking project. When I attach the top rail, I'll use 18 gauge nails as spacers. This represents the rail that's attached to the drawer. These nails provide a little bit of space and will allow this rail to move. So here's the rail with a little glue on it. And again, I'm going to attach it with a few nails. All right, and now for the moment of truth. Okay, so there is the top drawer. And once I finish this cabinet, this is going to get veneered on the outside. The inside, I'll spray one thin coat, lightly sand it, and then wax the drawer runners with candle wax. And that'll make them run even smoother. I really like wooden drawer slides. They're inexpensive, they're easy to install, and they last forever. You can see that this is a cabinet that's on a mobile base. The casters come from the old jet sander. And here's a look at the back of the cabinet. So you do have some wasted space here, but not a big deal to me. Again, I'm building this cabinet around these drawers that were given to me for free. So it's going to be really useful. I like to make paintings on these little panels like this. So the idea here is the panels are designed to fit into the drawer. There's enough space between the panels so I can put a wet panel or a wet painting in the drawer and it won't be touching the one in front of it or behind it. I hope you picked up a few good tips from this video. And if you'd like to build the furniture for your home, I hope that you'll check out my website at johnpeters.com. I have a ton of woodworking plans on my website and they all have video tutorials right here on YouTube that are designed to help guide you through the project. So I hope that you'll visit my website. Again, it's johnpeters.com. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next week.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to build the furniture for your home, please visit my website at johnpeters.com for a large variety of furniture projects and plans available. From beginner to advanced woodworking projects, I'm sure you'll find a project that will match your woodworking skill level and taste in furniture. Each project has step-by-step video tutorials right here on YouTube designed to help guide you through the project and help you build something I know you'll be proud of. Thanks again, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's a great way to help me continue to make long-format project videos just like this one.